Hello class 5, welcome back to GK class. I hope all of you are keeping well. So today I am here with very interesting subject, that is of course GK, but then in GK we are going to learn a very important topic. Now in this lockdown period you must be missing something, that is your school, right? Now in a similar manner today we are going to learn about many important and famous institutions which are there in our country. So I am here with page number 14, Great Indian Institution. So we will be learning and acquiring knowledge about institutions which are there in India, right? So let's start. There is a first question here. This is school which I am talking about. The first question. This school is in Lucknow, was founded by respected educationists Jagdish Gandhi and Bharati Gandhi. It promotes world peace and organizes many international meets every year. It has more than 45,000. So can you name this institution? Which institution is this? This institution is City Montessori School. City Montessori School, let me give you a little more information about City Montessori School. This school was founded in the year 1959 by great educationists, that is Jagdish Gandhi and Bharati Gandhi. Okay, so the answer is of the first question, City Montessori School. Okay, it is an English medium school and also co-education school which provides education from class preschool to class 12. Now we move to the next topic, that is, if you want to become an engineer. I hope you must be, many of you must be having the dream of becoming an engineer. Okay, so those who are having this dream or aim in life, very important for them to know. An engineer, you could try and get into one of the IITs in India. So if you want to become an engineer, you have to go and study in institution which provides this kind of education. Now this IIT, you have to go to IITs. Okay, what is this IIT actually? What is this meaning of IIT? IIT stands for Indian Institution of Technology. I hope you know the spelling of Indian Institution of Technology. Indian spelling also easy for you to write. Institute INSTITUTE of Technology, TECH, Technology, NOLOGY, Technology. Okay. Now next question number 3. If you want to become a manager, now again it's a profession and many of you must be dreaming of becoming manager. Okay, so in a reputed company, I'm not talking about the bank managers, I'm talking about the other official sectors and companies, MNCs and all. If you want to become a very famous manager, then you have to try and get into one of the IIMs. Like IIMs means what? IIM is an institution. In one of the institutions you have to go and study, then only you can become a very good manager. Now what does this IIM stand for? Again, IIM stands for Indian Institution of Management. Okay, like the previous one IIT, now this is IIM, Indian Institute of Management, right? Then we have the next question, question number 4. Now question number 4 says, in which cities are the IIMs are located? Now there are many cities in our India, in our country, where IIM are located. So the answers I have written on the board, you can see here. The famous IIM are in Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Kolkata. You are very fortunate to have in your city also this institution is there. Indore, Tiruchirappalli. Tiruchirappalli, it is in South then Kozhikode, Ranchi, Shillong, Rohtak, Raipur, Udaipur and Kashipur. There are so many. Okay, so like those who want to become this, those who want to become managers, they have to find institution in one of these cities and you have to get admission in the IIM and then only you can become a very good manager. Okay, now we move to the next question. The next question is number 5. In which cities or towns are the IITs located? Okay, now here also these IITs means Indian Institution of Technology. They are also present in so many cities in our India. Now I'm going to just name them these cities. Listen very carefully. Okay. First one, you are very again fortunate to have in your town, in your state also in West Bengal, that is in Kharagpur, very famous IIT Kharagpur. Okay. Then we have in Kanpur, Roorkee. Roorkee spelling is ROORKEE, Roorkee. Then we have in New Delhi, Mumbai, Guwahati, Chennai, Hyderabad, Patna. Hyderabad spelling is HYDERABAD, Hyderabad, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Gandhinagar, Jodhpur, 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 then Roopnagar, then there's one more place called Mandi, Indore and Varanasi. Okay, so I'm repeating these cities' name again. First one is Kharagpur, Kanpur, Roorkee, New Delhi, Mumbai, Guwahati, Chennai, Hyderabad, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Gandhinagar, Jodhpur, Roopnagar, Mandi, Indore and Varanasi. So these are the places where you will get IITs, very famous and very reputed IITs. And if you are planning to become an engineer, you have to find out any one of these cities and have to get admission when you complete your class 12. After that only you can do that. Okay. For that also you have to qualify competitive exams, right? Then we move to the next question, number 6. Next question number 6 is this school was one of the early co-educational institutions in India. So this was the very old co-educational school. It was founded by Satikanta Guha, a great educationist, and is now run by the M.P. Birla Foundation in Kolkata. It has about 30,000 students. Name the school. So which school is this? This school is none other than South Point. And if you know, South Point is in this side, South Calcutta, close to Baliganj. You will find that. Okay. And if you want to visit that school, you can visit. Okay. It's a very, very old school. And number 7, founded by Major General Claude Martin. This school is of historical importance in India. It has got some importance related to history. It has branches in Lucknow, Kolkata and Lyon. Lyon is in France. Okay. You have to name the school. Which school is this? In our Calcutta, if you have seen this school, it is in white building. Okay. The building color is very white and it is located in Beg Bagan. If you know Beg Bagan, where is Beg Bagan? In we can say Beg Bagan only. That area is basically known as Beg Bagan. Okay. So this school is having very big building and it is constructed in a huge area. So and both girls and for boys, the wings are buildings are separate. This is none other than the school name is Lamantania. Here you will find the picture. This picture is this school is of Lucknow. It is not in Calcutta, but like this building only you have in Kolkata also. So the name of the school is Lamantania School. Okay, and here in our Kolkata we have Lamantanians for boys as well as Lamantanians for girls. Next question, number 8. This school has branches in Bangalore, Delhi and Kolkata. It was formed by a famous Anglo-Indian lawyer after whom it is named. He was Member of Parliament for more than 40 years. So name the school. Which school is this? The name of the school is Frank Anthony Public School. Okay, and this is again in our Kolkata city. Then question number 9. If you go to Madras Christian College to study, which city would you be living in? Madras, now the name of, this is an old name, and the present name, the new name for Madras is Chennai. So ultimately you are living in which city? You are living in Chennai. So the answer for question number 9 is Chennai. Okay. Now the last question of this page. In which city is the famous St. Stephen College located? The answer is New Delhi, and I am very fortunate to see that college. I have been to that college and I have also seen that college live. Okay, so the name of the place, the city is New Delhi. Okay, so here we complete question number, page number 14. Now we move to the next topic, that is rivers of India. Okay, so now here we are with another topic, that is rivers of India or Indian rivers of India, right? Exactly. Page number 15. If you have your book, you can take out your book and you can see the question along with me. In India also we have very famous rivers. You must be knowing the starting of from Himalayas, the rivers are originating. Especially we are very famous river, that is Ganga, which originates from Himalaya and it is ending in Kolkata in river Hooghly. So now we are going to talk about or discuss about few more famous rivers. So the first question is, it flows through the state of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. It was called Hyphasis in ancient Greek and Vipasha in Sanskrit. So that the name of this particular river in in Greek it is called as Hyphasis, and in Sanskrit it is known as Vipasha. It is one of the river of Punjab that give the state its name, the land of 5 rivers. Pan means 5. Punjab. Okay, rivers of place of 5 rivers. So that is why it is called Punjab, place of 5 rivers. Okay, so can you guess which river is this? What is the name of this river? The name of the river is, you can see here, the first answer, Vyas. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2 is, it is known in Bengali as Jamuna, Chinese Ya Lu San, Pu Qian, in Chinese we say like that, okay, or Yarlung, Zangbo, okay, Xiang, and Tibetan they say Sanpu. It is major river of Central and South Asia. It rises in Himalayas and empties into the Bay of Bengal. So the answer is Brahmaputra. Okay. Then we have the next question, number 3. It is the sacred river of southern India. It rises in Western Ghats and flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and empties in the Bay of Bengal. The answer is Kaveri. Then question number 4. It is an important river of eastern India. It rises from Chotanagpur Pathar Plateau. It flows through the state of Jharkhand and West Bengal. It discharges into Hooghly River in Kolkata. That is, the answer is Damodar. Then we have question number 5. It is the greatest river of northern India. It is the holiest river for the Hindus. It rises in Himalaya and empties in the Bay of Bengal. So, the name of the river is Ganga. Okay, so it rises from Himalaya and empties in the Bay of Bengal. Then the last question, number 6. It flows through the West Bengal state of eastern India. it is an arm of Ganga river and empties in the Bay of Bengal? And the answer is Hooghly. So here we complete the page, next page, that is page number 15, which gives us the knowledge about various different types of very famous rivers of India. And what you are going to do, you will read this both the pages and you will complete. Of course, you may be asking me, you may have question that ma'am, page number 14 does not have any space. So page number 14 you will do in copy, okay, GK copy. You will do all the answers in the copy. Page number 14 you will complete in copy, and page number 15 you can write in the book itself. And after doing this work, you will send me your work for correction. Okay, and keep studying. Take care and bye bye.